Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm building the LEGO City Police Car. This set is recommended for age 5 and up, and it's come with 94 pieces and one police officer minifigure. The car has a cool American muscle car style, and there are no stickers, just 2 printed police bricks, which is amazing for a small set. And I have a little surprise for you guys. If this video reaches 200 views, I will give away this LEGO set. To enter, comment what you would name this police officer, and I will choose the best answer. Inside the box we get 2 small bags, the base for the car and the instruction booklet. There are no stickers, only 2 printed police tiles, which already makes the set feel really high quality. This set builds in one easy part. First, I put together the police officer. He comes with a police cap, a police uniform, and a flashlight in his hands. Then I built the car, which has a muscle car style front with a hot rod supercharged, white racing strips on the hood, blue lights at the front, and the red lights at the back. It's a simple build, but the shape and detail look great, especially for age 5 and up LEGO City set. Overall, the LEGO City Police Car is a fun, fast build, perfect for young builders. The printed bricks looks clean, the minifigure is great, and the muscle car design is really cool. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And remember, once this video hit 200 views, this set becomes a giveaway. Just comment what name you would give our police officer, and I will pick my favorite answer. Thanks for watching, I will see you in the next LEGO build.